Alright, so here we are on the world's greatest fishing boat. At least I think it is. Got ample fishing up on the bow for drifting or sunbathing. Got sail power, dual sail power. Comfy cabin, flat screen TV, kitchen, bed. Nice little Yamaha, 9 horsepower, 9.9 power trim, power tip. Electric start with controls on board. 54-pound thrust electric trolling motor. 18-gallon live well, recirculating, full of shiners, golden shiners. Little depth finder, movable. Luxurious seating, look at that. Oh yeah, foam cushions. It's a little more windy than we like it out here today, but we already caught one. This is St. John's River, little cove across from Green Cove Springs. Some alligators out there, reds, flounder, bass, catfish, gar. Yeah. Fish, fish. What do we got? Woohoo! I don't know what it is. he hit it pretty damn good though, didn't he? He's out there a long way. Looks like a catfish. He's I don't know, average size for around here, I guess. Look. 7-8 pounder. So there he is. Boy, he's got a fat little tummy. Not real big. Looks like he might go maybe 5 pounder. Boy, he's fat. Got some sea lice under his chin there, on his whiskers. Got him on a old gleam there of a, what's that, 7-Eleven, or no, that's a 3-way planer bobber, yeah. Alright. 1-0. Planer bobbers rule. Yeah, everybody should get a pinwheel for their fishing pole. So everybody should get a pinwheel for their fishing pole. This works great. Man. Is it a miracle that it's not messing up the line? So it's been acting weird. Guess it's got a fish. See what we got with the pinwheel action. I'm telling you, everybody should sport a pinwheel. On there. Oh, he's still on there. Now he decides he wants to fight. What do we got? What do we got? Dude, It's a pickerel.
Really?
Uh-huh.
Nice.
Oh, he just jumped. Planer bobber pickerel.
Man, they're pretty rare, man. Don't let him die.
Oh, they're common around here. Yeah.
What did you got?
It's the second one. Look at those teeth in there. So, I guess, I'm assuming this is a pickerel. Everybody should get a pinwheel, I'm telling you, and a planer bobber, and a pickerel. Unhappy one. Oh, self-release.
Hell yeah.
I think we got a picture of him now. Whoa! Woohoo! Got sundown. Sunset. It is rough out here. Comes a set. There it goes. Man, there's got to be some 2.5, 3 footers. Here comes another set. Here they come. Here it comes now. Oh, we busted it in half. Woohoo!